Have you ever scrolled through a long document just to find one section? Or maybe you're a student or a writer trying to make your report look more professional. In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean, clickable, and automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word all in under 5 minutes. Whether you're using Word for school, business, or personal use, this is a trick you'll wish you knew earlier. Now that you've set your headings, it's time to insert your TOC. Click at the top of your document or wherever you want your table of contents to appear. Then go to the References tab at the top of Word. Click on Table of Contents. You'll see built-in styles appear. Choose one that fits your document. Word will instantly generate a clean and clickable table of contents, showing your main sections and subsections, along with page numbers. If you change your document, maybe you add a new section or move something, your table of content won't update automatically. But don't worry. Just click on the table of contents, and you'll see a small button at the top that says Update Table. Click it and choose to update the entire table if you've changed headings, or just update page numbers if that's all you changed. It's fast and keeps your document organized, even as it grows. And that's it. You now have a professional, dynamic, and easy-to-navigate table of contents in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips, and comment below what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.